Today we are going to be taking a trip to San Bernardino to get a couple things I'm getting for the GoPro, and it's a good chance to drive the car, take a little bit farther than normal, and push a little more. I know the car's been cutting off at full throttle. When I'm full boost, turns off sometimes, and having a couple issues with that. I feel it's the fuel pump because I can see the gauge start to lean out. So just want to get some footage of it, and we'll probably be replacing the fuel pump soon.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again. Choices you made, did you make them again?
All the choices you made, did you make them again?